In several states along the east coast of the United States, including New York, public life has returned to normal after the first blizzard of the season. In the meantime, the ice has begun to melt. But the cold and the cold have overwhelmed the Americans. More than 50 million people in parts of the states of New York, Maryland, Virginia and Pennsylvania have been hit by severe cold with nearly 24 hours of snow on Wednesday and Thursday. The snowstorm froze the road, disrupting traffic. Many people are not leaving the house without the need for emergencies. However, after the snowstorm, the snow clearing work is going on. Although the city authorities are clearing the roads and gats in front of the houses on their own initiative, various parks are still covered with snow. It snows from Wednesday afternoon to Thursday afternoon. According to the Meteorological Department, up to 2 feet of snow fell in the wide area of the Catskill Mountains in New York from eastern Pennsylvania. Binghamton Airport recorded 39.1 inches of snow at 8:40 a.m. Thursday. The Met Office also reported 41 inches of snow in various parts of New York. Albany, the capital of New York, recorded 22.7 inches of snow at 11 a.m. Thursday. Besides, power supply to 9,500 houses has been cut off. The Meteorological Department has said that such snowfall has not happened in the last 5 years. Meanwhile, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo has declared a state of emergency in 17 counties in the state due to heavy snowfall. Snowfall has caused about 600 road accidents in various parts of New York State. 2 people lost their lives in it. The neighboring state of New Jersey and New York also has more than 200 road accidents. There is a state of emergency. Meanwhile, New York City schools were closed on Thursday but have been reopened since Friday at the behest of City Mayor Bill de Blasio. On the other hand, the outdoor dining of the city has been opened from Thursday evening. In the afternoon after the first snowfall of the season, many people were seen playing with their families in front of their houses and even on the snow-covered white field. BongshaiNews, New York.
আপনার কি ইউটিউব চ্যানেল আছে যেখানে আপনার সুন্দর সুন্দর ভিডিওগুলো আপলোড করছেন? আপনার ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে সুন্দর সুন্দর ভিডিও আপলোড করার পাশাপাশি সেখান থেকে ডলারও আয় করুন আর হয়ে যান একজন সফল ইউটিউবার। আমরা দিচ্ছি ইউটিউব মনিটাইজেশন সেবা। আমাদের সেবাসমূহ সাবস্ক্রাইবার্স, ওয়াচ টাইম, চ্যানেল মনিটাইজেশন। আমরা আপনার ইউটিউব চ্যানেলের জন্য সাবস্ক্রাইবার্স ও ওয়াচ টাইম দিয়ে করে দিব মনিটাইজেশন, যাতে করে আপনিও করতে পারবেন আয়। ইউটিউব মনিটাইজেশন করতে মেসেজ করুন মেসেঞ্জারে, আমাদের সেবা গ্রহণ করুন আর হয়ে যান একজন সফল ইউটিউবার। আপনার ডিজিটাল সেবায় 01 বিজনেস ডেভেলপমেন্ট ইনকর্পোরেশন, নিউ ইয়র্ক।